friends. There is a strange problem with this car. A new second-hand car bought by the car owner, but it cannot start normally during the day. It will return to normal at night. The car owner was frightened. He found me in the comment area. Today I will help him find out what is going on. This is the tool I brought. Go, let me try to start it first. Try again. Did you see it? Sure enough, it can't be started. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. This problem has been bothering the car owner for more than half a month. He was in the repair shop and cleaned the throttle valve, replaced spark plugs and ignition coils, cleaned the entire vehicle's oil lines, spent a lot of money, but the problem is still not solved. He asked me if I could solve difficult problems like this. I said no problem. I like challenging problems. It can be fixed. He said, what if you can't repair it well? I said, if it can't be repaired, I'll buy it. The solution is actually simpler. Carefully organize your thoughts. The solution is actually simpler. This car can't start during the day. It will recover in the evening. It is obviously related to the ambient temperature. Speaking of ambient temperature, I know a car part. Come. That's it. Carbon canister solenoid valve. I suspect it's broken. Take it apart and check it out. The disassembly method is very simple. Not even a screw. There is only one bracket. Like this. You can take it off with just a push. Then unplug the tubes on both sides. Pull out the plug too. Okay, let's check it out. Its principle of action is very simple. The energized valve opens. Gas can pass through two tubes. The power outage valve is closed. Gas cannot pass through the tube. Now I suspect it's leaking air. The verification method is also very simple. Just blow with your mouth. Did you hear that? It's definitely leaking. Once the cause of the problem is found, it becomes easy to solve it. Don't be in a hurry to replace it, otherwise it will be a waste of money. We put the solenoid valve on the ground. Beat repeatedly. Let the valve inside return to its original position. Try again. Okay, no more air leakage. Let's install it back. The installation method is also very simple. Okay, next. I try to start the car. See if it can be started. If it can be started. Friends, give me a like. Please support me. If you follow me, if you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Go. Apply the brakes. Start up. Did you see it? A success. Try again. Success again. The motivation is also very strong. The problem has been solved. Isn't it very simple? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.